Hello students, in today's video we will learn to do some addition and subtraction using money. Here are some story sums. We will read the questions and we have to understand that these questions are for addition or subtraction, what operation has to be applied, and then you will do the sum. The first question reads, Shayoni went to the supermarket with her mother. They bought a packet of cookies for rupees 20 and a packet of toffees for rupees 15. How much did they spend in all? In all means total amount spent. By reading the question, I think students you have understood that we have to do addition to find out the amount. So the statement is given in the book. Cost of a packet of cookies. You will write down the amount. It is given here, no, rupees 20. The packet of cookies cost rupees 20. Over here you will write 20. And cost of a packet of toffees, it is given 15. So here you will write 15. And then the total money spent you will find out by doing addition. For doing the addition, you can write the numbers over here, put a addition sign, a plus sign over here, and you will do the addition. The rough work you will do here, and the final answer of addition you will write it over here. In the same way, you will read the other questions. There are 3 questions. You will read these questions. I hope you will be able to do this. Read the question very carefully. You will understand that what you have to do. We have done other story sums, many other story sums we have done on addition and subtraction. So you have got an idea by reading the story how to understand that the operation should be subtraction or addition. Try to read it and try to do it yourself. This is the let's practice exercise. First, look at these pictures given. You can see here picture of an umbrella given, and there is a price tag that this umbrella costs rupees 90. Picture of a teddy bear given. This teddy bear costs rupees 73. Picture of an aeroplane, top, a cap and a football is given, and the price is given with the price tag. Now, after watching the picture carefully, you have to find the cost of this following. Like in this one, cap and a football. You will add the amount of a cap. The cap costs rupees 30. So over here you will write 3030. Then plus the cost of a football, it is 40. Below 30 you will write here 4040. You will add up and write the amount in this box. In this way you will do the others also. In the next part, you have to find out the difference. Difference means you have to do subtraction. The cost of a cap and the cost of a football, you have to find out. The cost of a cap is 30 rupees and the cost of a football is 40 rupees. Now you know for doing subtraction, the bigger number should be written on the top. Though it is written here cap and football, don't write it like this. Don't write 30 on top and don't write 40 below that. It will be 40 minus 30. Then you will do the subtraction and you will write the answer in this blank. This is how you will write. For doing addition, it is your choice that whichever number you want to write first, you can write. 30 plus 40 and 40 plus 30 will give you the same answer. But when you have to do subtraction, the bigger number 40 is greater than 30, so 40 will come on top and 30 will come below that, and then you can do the subtraction. If you write 30 on above and 40 below, subtraction will not be possible. So do this. Tomorrow I will give you the answers.